Imagine a home that doesn't sit still, a home that doesn't wait for weekends, a home that doesn't send you rent reminders or lock you into one city. Now imagine that home balancing perfectly on three wheels, shining under the sun like something straight out of 2028. This isn't science fiction. This is the stunning 2028 futuristic camper Tricycle tiny home. And once you see what it can do, you might never look at traditional houses the same way again. At first glance, it looks like a concept vehicle from a tech expo. The body is sleek and aerodynamic, with a metallic silver finish that reflects the sky like a mirror. The front wheel is bold and powerful, while the two rear wheels give it stability and strength. But this isn't just a cool-looking ride. This is a fully functional tiny home designed for freedom. Picture this. You wake up parked near a quiet beach. You open the side panel door, and fresh ocean air fills your space. Your entire home is no bigger than a small bedroom, yet it feels surprisingly open. How? Smart design. Every inch inside the 2028 camper Tricycle has a purpose. The interior is modern and minimal. Clean white walls mixed with soft wooden textures create a warm but futuristic vibe. On one side, there's a compact kitchenette with a fold-out induction cooktop, a mini fridge hidden under the counter, and a sink with a sleek black faucet. Above it, smart storage cabinets hold everything you need. No clutter, no wasted space. Across from the kitchen is a convertible lounge area. During the day, it's a comfortable sofa where you can relax, edit videos, work remotely, or just enjoy the view through the panoramic side window. At night, that same sofa transforms into a cozy bed with a memory foam mattress. With one simple motion, your living room becomes your bedroom. And here's where it gets even better. This 2028 model is fully solar powered. Thin solar panels are seamlessly integrated into the curved roof. That means while you're exploring mountains, forests, or city streets, your home is charging itself. No noisy generators, no expensive fuel costs, just clean, silent energy powering your lights, fridge, charging ports, and even a small climate control system. Think about the possibilities. No rent, no property tax, no waiting for permission to travel. Your address changes whenever you want it to. Now let's talk about the bathroom, because yes, this tiny Tricycle home has one. Hidden behind a sliding frosted glass door is a surprisingly smart wet bath setup. There's a compact shower with a rainfall head, a space-saving toilet system, and a foldable sink that tucks away when not in use. It's small, but it's functional. And for a vehicle this size, it feels like a luxury. Driving it is another experience altogether. The cockpit feels futuristic, almost like sitting in a small aircraft. A digital dashboard displays navigation, battery levels, water tank status, and even weather updates. The steering is smooth, and because of its three-wheel design, it's more stable than you'd expect. It's compact enough to fit into tight urban parking spots, but powerful enough to cruise comfortably on highways. But what truly makes this 2028 camper Tricycle special isn't just the design or technology. It's the lifestyle it represents. Imagine finishing work on a Friday afternoon. Instead of sitting in traffic heading back to the same apartment, you turn the key and drive toward the mountains. By sunset, you're parked with a view that million-dollar homes can't buy. You cook dinner inside your tiny kitchen, sit outside with a fold-out step deck, and watch the stars. This is minimalism without sacrifice. It's adventure without giving up comfort. And let's be real, housing prices keep rising. Rent keeps increasing. Many people feel stuck paying for spaces they barely use. This futuristic camper Tricycle challenges that entire system. It says, what if your home worked for you instead of the other way around? The storage solutions are genius too. Under the floor, there are hidden compartments for tools, outdoor gear, and emergency supplies. Above the driver's cabin, there's an overhead loft-style storage nook perfect for bags or seasonal items. Even the stairs leading into the living area double as drawers. Lighting inside is fully customizable LED. You can switch from bright white for productivity to warm ambient tones for relaxing evenings. There's even a small built-in projector option in the 2028 premium version, turning your tiny wall into a personal cinema. But here's the most exciting part. This isn't just for full-time travelers. Even if you own a house, this camper Tricycle can become your weekend escape pod, your mobile office, your content creation studio, your off-grid retreat. Picture parking it near a quiet lake, setting up your camera, and filming your next video with nature as your backdrop. Or driving through scenic roads, documenting the journey, and inspiring others to rethink what home really means. And because it's a tricycle design, maintenance costs are lower compared to larger RVs. It's lightweight, efficient, and easier to handle. Insurance and fuel consumption are significantly reduced compared to traditional motorhomes. It's built for practicality as much as style. The 2028 edition also includes smart home integration. Through your phone, you can control lighting, check battery levels, monitor water supply, and even lock or unlock the vehicle remotely. It's tiny living combined with big technology. Now close your eyes for a second and imagine this. Early morning sunlight coming through your panoramic window. You're wrapped in a blanket, coffee brewing just inches away, and outside is a completely new view because you chose it. That's the power of mobility. That's the beauty of downsizing without downgrading. And that's why the 2028 Futuristic Camper Tricycle Tiny Home is more than just a vehicle. It's a statement. A bold one. It tells the world you don't need massive square footage to live a massive life. You don't need a 30-year mortgage to feel secure. You don't need to wait for retirement to explore. Freedom doesn't have to be expensive. Sometimes, it just needs 3 wheels and smart design. So the question is, if your home could move tomorrow, where would you go first?